What's happening?
Hi again. So this weekend is fall break for us, so we decided to double take again for the camping trip to Lake Fausse. So we have been trying to come here for several times and it has not worked out. But this weekend we are going to Lake Fausse State Park, which is in St. Martinville. So we are very excited, hoping to get some fishing in, a little bit of hiking in, and some relaxation.
So no canoeing, no water activities, no boating activities this go around. This is supposed to be a dry trip. We should be on land, supposed to be on land the whole time we're here. So I'm excited. I think the kids are excited. We're going to see what we could do. You hear me?
I thought you were on. Mom, you think we can get this out?
So this cabin had a great screened-in area that overlooked the water behind the cabin. And then as you enter, it's a pretty big area in the front. They have a sofa bed, kids love that. And then a full kitchen for us to prepare our meals.
And of course, you got the bunk beds, which is the usual bed setup in the cabin.
That's Allie.
Yeah, I'm going to all of them, Allie. Yeah, Allie, 2 steps on me. I want all of them to be called Allie.
You know.
You already said
Can you do me a favor?
I think you got the B out. You got the B out?
Or around me. That's a back up.
Can you give me an oar?
Look at that.
We were not prepared.
Son. Son.
Mm.
Let me grab me anyway.
I'm going to eat the salad.
Hey.
We can go that way, or that way. Which way? We go this way. We got this way.
Well, we going.
20 minutes later.
They're getting us. Be careful, Cam. Be careful.
Yes.
Come on, Stinker.
And I don't think there's any type. Ow! There's some on you. Now you. Just like pretend we did the whole thing.
Look.
Yeah, that didn't work. So they had a lot of mosquitoes. We thought we were ready.
Even with these bracelets.
Yeah, we showed y'all the different types of off and what do they call them? Mosquito repellent bracelets?
Yeah.
Even try the bracelets, right?
It ain't working.
It ain't work.
Ain't work. Even with me having on my lucky bracelet, it was bad.
Right. It was serious. I don't know what we call it. This might be them Iberville. What parish this is? Them Iberville mosquitoes. St. Martinville mosquitoes. It's a little bit different from the other mosquitoes that we've encountered. So yeah, be on the lookout for them type of mosquitoes.
So we actually had a chance to do fishing for 2 days. The first day, everyone caught a fish except Cam. So we decided to return for a second day in hopes that he would catch a big one.
And it was good that we went back because truth be told, after the mosquitoes basically destroyed us, we didn't really have too much else to do. So going back out there, especially we already had bait, we already had the setup to go back fishing. We wanted to go out there and give him a chance to see if he could catch one, and lo and behold, you'll see in a second. So something that we did differently this time was to get real bait. As crazy as it sounds, the first time we didn't get real bait. Basically because it was the first time that the boys went fishing. It was the first time that we went fishing as a family while camping. So we had hot dog weenies and just chopped it up. put it on the hook just so that the boys can see what it was to bait a line. How did it feel to cast with bait on the hook, just to get the feel for it. And we didn't catch much, but it was important because they understood the fundamentals of fishing. This time around, I wanted to do a little bit more. I wanted to go a little extra mile. So we decided to get a small bucket of regular worms and another bucket of big red worms. Of course, these worms were huge, so I had to do a little trickery to get them on the hook comfortably so they have a little wiggle at the end to attract some fish, which it did. So I think that it was very successful. And from now on, we'll probably be just doing regular live bait instead of, you know, soap and bologna.
Oh, yeah, this also came in the water. Look. Ah! Look.
Oh yeah, what you doing?
Alligator! Cam caught a fish! You did? Cam! Good job! Oh, hey, Cam, look, we both got the same fish! But I saw the alligator! Cam, look, we both got the big one! Cam, we got the same fish! Cam! You caught a fish! Good job!
Wait, hold it.
Hold on,
Hold it so I
hold
can
on,
take
hold
a picture, okay?
Whoa. Good job.
Hold it. Hold it up. Hold it up.
We look,
Okay.
we caught the same fish.
Right, y'all brothers, called brother fish.
Alright.
Don't do that. Don't do that.
Do I cast now?
Yeah, you gonna have to watch out though.
Look this way. Hold it up.
I'm gonna have to
That's
watch
how
out.
you hold
Hold on,
it.
'cause there's a lot going
Don't
on.
hold the
I don't want
fish.
you to cast.
It's okay. It's not gonna do you
Damn,
anything.
good job, buddy.
You got to hold it. Don't hold the fish. Hold it where mommy's finger is.
Damn, what you gonna name him?
Come on, Cam. Hurry
Mine's
up.
Floppy.
Just like that.
Good job.
You got it.
As you can see, having live bait made the biggest difference in the world.
And Cam was just so excited about catching his first fish and saving him from an alligator. Overall, it was another great camping experience with the crew. The cabin was great. The fishing was awesome. Can't speak too much about the trails because the mosquitoes definitely ran us out of there.
And this concludes our video to Lake Fausse Pointe State Park. We appreciate you guys watching, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. We'll see y'all on the next one.